Hi guys, and welcome back to Learn with Nia. In today's video, we're going to be looking at growing your YouTube channel. Now, if you've been trying to grow your YouTube channel, you've probably heard of SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of SEO, which is keywords, specifically in your video titles and descriptions. It's the secret to getting your videos discovered. So without the right keywords, your video may as well be invisible. But with the right ones, your content can reach the right people. So let's talk about why keywords matter and how to use them effectively in both your titles and descriptions to maximize your reach. So what are keywords and why do they matter? So let's start with the basics. Simply put, keywords are the terms or phrases that people type into the YouTube search bar when they're looking for videos. So let's say someone's looking for tips on growing their YouTube channel. They might type in how to get more views on YouTube. So that would be a keyword phrase. These keywords are how YouTube's algorithm knows what your video is about and whether it should show up in search results. So if you use the right keywords, then YouTube is more likely to recommend your video to people who are searching for exactly what you're offering. And of course, by reaching the right audience, this helps you gain retention, watch hours, all things that we will talk about in future videos. If you'd like me to make some videos on audience retention and gaining watch hours, then let me know in the comments below and I'll make them for you. So let's talk about titles. Your title is the first thing people are going to see when they come across your channel. Well, that and your thumbnail. So the title plays a huge role in attracting viewers and helping YouTube understand what your video is about. So when you choose keywords for your title, think about what your audience will be searching for. So if you're making a video on YouTube growth, for example, your title should include things like YouTube growth, how to get views or increase subscribers. But the important thing is your title needs to be engaging as well. So let's think of an example. Okay, so if you had a title that said how to get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days, and you could have in brackets a step-by-step guide or something like that. And if you compare that to something that would be my YouTube growth journey. However interested some people might be in my YouTube growth journey, most people are going to click on how to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers in 30 days because it tells you exactly what the video is about. It's very specific and it includes key phrases that people are searching for and it promises a solution. So that's the kind of title you want to use to get more views and ultimately more subscribers. Whereas my YouTube growth journey, or whatever I said, something like that, it's vague and it's not optimized for search. You don't really know what's going to be in there. If you've got loads of time to spare and you think, oh, I'll just have a look at this, my YouTube growth journey, yes, okay, I'll watch that for a bit. But the time of people who watch YouTube is very precious. So you want to get to the point in your title, tell them what your video is about and ultimately get them to click on your video. So when coming up with your title, so try and balance SEO keywords with an element of curiosity. Because by doing this, you're helping your video rank better in search and you're also encouraging people to click because they're curious. Okay, so when it comes to keywords in descriptions, the description box is your chance to give YouTube even more in-depth context of what your video is about. So while your title is important to capture your audience, your description is where you can really go into detail and it's a key place to use keywords. So my advice here would be when you start writing your description, start by including your main keywords early on, preferably in the first couple of sentences, because this helps YouTube understand your video right from the start. But make sure you're not just stuffing keywords in there. You know, you want it to make sense and it needs to read naturally and be helpful to your viewers. So let's look at a couple of examples. In example 1, we've got a description that's keyword stuffed and it's difficult to read. Whereas on the right, we've got a clear, concise description that's using the relevant keywords. So like how to grow your YouTube channel and get more views. It reads naturally. And don't forget, YouTube also looks at your tags, captions, and even the comments. So if you can sprinkle variations of your main keywords throughout your video content, this can help boost your ranking as well. But just make sure that everything stays relevant to your content. You don't want to be talking about Santa Claus in the middle of a YouTube growth video. Unless your YouTube channel is about Santa Claus, of course, which some of you might be interested in making. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in that. I'd be interested to watch it. Okay, so now we know why keywords are important, but how do we find the right ones? So how do you go looking for the right ones and how do you find them? So there's a few ways you can go about doing this. First, you can use YouTube's auto-suggest feature. So in the YouTube search bar, if you start typing a phrase that's related to your video, then YouTube will come up with popular search queries below. So if you start typing, it'll appear below. And these things that appear below are the terms that people are actually searching for. So that's a good way to start finding the right keywords to use. So another way to find the right keywords would be using tools like TubeBuddy, VidIQ, or even Google Trends. So these tools will help you find keywords with high search volume but low competition. So by using words like this, your video will have a better chance of ranking higher. Another good way of finding keywords is looking at your niche. So what are the top videos in your niche? And what are the titles and descriptions of those videos like? So any of them that are ranking well, you need to look at what keywords are they using, because this can give you a good idea then of what to target, what you should use in your videos. So in a nutshell, you want to use specific targeted keywords in your video titles to attract the right audience. You want to write natural, detailed descriptions that include your main keywords and aim to provide as much value as possible. Use tools or YouTube's auto-suggest feature or both to find the best keywords for your video. And lastly, don't forget to use variations of your keywords throughout your video, including in your tags and captions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. If you have any keyword tips yourself, drop a comment below. Or if you've got any questions about YouTube SEO, then let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Good luck optimizing your content. Keep creating and keep growing. And I'll see you in the next one.